Do you know many people are having trouble with their ION tailgater not playing music when unplugged? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Charge battery. Ensure your ION tailgater battery is fully charged before every use to prevent performance issues. Step 2. Inspect fuse. Check if the fuse near the power cable input is intact and replace if necessary. Step 3. Verify connections. Verify the power connections are correct when charging by looking for the lightning bolt icon. Step 4. Check battery health. Consider if the battery has been exposed to low charge for long periods, affecting its ability to hold a charge. Step 5. Replace battery. If performance issues persist, replace the battery, as this may resolve the issue. Follow these steps to ensure your ION tailgater plays music even when unplugged. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other ION users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.